something gorgeous, you see the Callas. Sande, very well known for the Callas. It's the largest grower of Callas in the world. And they are also a breeder of Callas. So you probably do know the Schwarzwälder or the Strauss, or you know, let's say, the Picasso, this one, very recognizable. Those are all breeds from Sande themselves. And aside of that, they also breed lilies. So, and that's already for 4 generations. Funny side information is that I know the family very well because they're from the same town in the Netherlands where I was born and raised. So, you know, it's almost, we're neighbors. Feel very at home. So here, some of the colors we have. We have way many colors. You will see them also later when we go through the rest of the store. The Callas, I have to say that we have them in different lengths, so you can get them for 30 centimeter, 40 centimeter, 45, 50, 55, that's about the max we grow, because, you know, they don't go that tall as the regular white calla lily we all know from weddings, for example. They're very long lasting, and it's a very thankful flower to work with.